Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Pro. Today, I'm reviewing a tool that's becoming essential for content creators, bloggers, students, and even professionals. It's called AI Detector Pro. As AI-generated content becomes more common, platforms like this are stepping in to help us detect what's written by AI, and more importantly, help us convert or humanize that content to make it sound natural and human-written. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, test its accuracy, and explore how well it can rewrite AI text to make it pass as human. If you're looking for a reliable way to catch AI content or make your AI written text look natural, this video is for you. Available in the video description below. Just sign up and start exploring its powerful AI detection and humanization features. As soon as you create your account, you'll see an interface that looks something like this. Now let's put this tool to the test. I went ahead and asked ChatGPT to write a short paragraph on a random topic on digital marketing. We're going to copy that AI-generated paragraph and paste it into AI Detector Pro to see if it can accurately detect whether the content was written by an AI or not. Once we've pasted the script into the input box, we click on the Analyze button. The tool then starts processing the text to detect whether it contains signs of AI-generated content. Within just a few seconds, the tool generated a report. According to the results, the content is 98% likely to be AI-generated. This indicates that AI Detector Pro successfully identified the text as being written by an artificial intelligence model, which, in our case, was ChatGPT. The analysis is quick and the results are presented in a clear, easy-to-understand format, making it highly useful for users who want fast and accurate AI detection. Next, click on Open with AI Eraser. A panel will appear on the right with several options. At the top, AI detected in red shows that the content may be AI-generated and needs editing. Below that, Rescan Document for AI lets you check the score again after making changes. Copy to Clipboard allows you to quickly copy all the text. Show Top Priority Edit highlights the most important parts that need improvement. At the bottom, Basic Mix, Full Marks offers 2 editing levels, light changes, or full humanization for the best results. After that, you'll see Suggest Paragraph Humanization and Humanize Document. The first one gives suggestions to make individual paragraphs sound more natural. The second one edits the entire document to make it more human-like. After this, copy all the text and click on Humanize Document. As you can see, it starts processing, and after a few seconds, the text is fully humanized. To check the changes, click on Rescan Document for AI and review the updated results. The tool analyzed the entire content and identified it as human-written. This means the text shows natural language patterns and complexity typical of a human author, not AI-generated text. On the homepage, you'll find the dashboard, a central panel where you get a clear snapshot of your activity, usage, and key statistics, all in one place. Next is the Reports section, where you can view detailed reports of the content you've analyzed. After that comes the Documents section. Here, you can upload any text to check for AI detection and even use tools to make the content sound more human. And finally, you'll see all your projects neatly organized, making it easy to manage multiple tasks under one platform. And that's a wrap on today's review of AI Detector Pro, a powerful tool for anyone working with content in today's AI-driven world. Whether you're a student trying to keep your writing authentic, a blogger aiming for originality, or a professional polishing AI-assisted drafts, this tool gives you a reliable way to detect and humanize content with just a few clicks. The link is right below. Go ahead and try it out for yourself. Got questions? drop them in the comments. And I'll catch you in the next one.